కూర్చో కూర్చో నేను కూర్చో
హలో బనీ మన టీమ్ లో చాలా మంది మన టీమ్ లో drop them at Sikrapad. Drop them. चलो कैप्टन
And awardees, on behalf of Adventure Club of Andhra Pradesh, I welcome you all for this Kids Adventure Awards function. Please pay attention for 15-20 minutes and give big encouragement with the claps when the awardee comes and receives the award. Please don't see that they are not my friend or like that. Please help spirit, the adventure spirit is show, and I request same thing from you. Now the children, kids age between 10 to 15 years, to give them the leadership qualities and teamwork and explore something is new beyond the what normal the classrooms and schools and all. The keeping view of this, the Adventure Club of Andhra Pradesh has started Kids Adventure Awards, and we constituted 10 awards for boys, 10 awards for the girls, overall for this, and also simultaneously clubbed with this best adventure activities and outbound activities for their students. The keeping in view, we got number of hundreds of the applications have received. Our selection committee have carefully examined and selected few awardees, really those who are deserved to for this adventure activities. Not only participating in the adventure activities, but they towards the nature and all. We observed all this and we selected them. And now by names I'll call the adventure awardees. They should escorted by our one of the instructor to here, and they'll collect their memento or award, and they'll go back and stay here only. After that, next awardee will come and receive. They all will be standing here only. After finishing our awards presentation, maybe around 6 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes. After that, we have to invite the one parent and one student, those who got awards. They have to speak from there only. 1 minute time we'll give them their experiences or their opinions. 1 minute we'll ask them. After that, immediately we have the awardees and the instructors one group photo, with the parents one photo. After that, we have the cup of tea. Then we'll wind up the activity. This is very simple ceremony, and we have a philosophy of Adventure Club philosophy. What we do, it should be in nature. Where we go, it's in nature. So we keep all the tents, stairs, hangam and all. We want to have the all activities in the nature only. That's why we selected this spot. As well as we have conducted one camp also for other kids also. The occasion, I request awardees. The girls section, we have VN Grammar School, Deshin Nagar. Partner Vidyagon players, be careful. Request to the Manasas. Promoting adventure activities among the students. Now we selected the first teacher in Andhra Pradesh for this award. We all one more unique and award we are giving to one organization which they never thought and expected that we will give that award, because of seeing their promotion in adventure activities, bringing the students in adventure activities. I request Mr. Salman Raj, Secretary, Berlin Memorial Methodist Church. This is the first award to receive from any church side that we are giving the award to them in the history of Andhra Pradesh and Adventure Club also. I request Mr. Salman Raj to come and collect the Best Adventure Promoting Church Award from Mr. David Christopher, Lifetime Achievement Awardee.
Giving us all the awards. I'm really grateful for the award that I have received, but it's a bigger satisfaction to see so many of you here, eager, keen adventurers of the future. My only request to you is pursue this, do not give up, and continue with your pursuit so that you can learn a lot, not only about nature but about your own selves. This is an activity which develops perseverance, it also develops a lot of team spirit, and it gives you joy and confidence in yourselves that you can do it. Our efforts have always been here, and we are here to support you as adults. And AP Adventure Club has been doing yeoman service in this area, and they have been helping a lot. So continue, bring in more of your friends, and parents, encourage your children to go ahead, because these are the ones who are going to live long, healthy lives, not frustrated individuals, but individuals who are going to persevere in life. Thank you very much.
Sports in Nasa School. It was a great adventure when we went to Panchgani and Nizamabad, and we really worked for it, and we're planning to get it next year too. Thank you.
I request Gopal Krishna garu, we know that he'll go on once he started speaking, he'll not stop. So I'll ask Prabhakara garu, then afterwards I'll ask Gopal Krishna garu to speak. Please.
They've been doing a wonderful job, In fact, last year, when 6 months back, I'm sure. So 6 months back, when we went for this tour to Horsley Hills, it was really a pleasant surprise to me. You see, I never thought it would be so good. And with Dhruva, when he came, we all went together, with his friends and myself. It was a great adventure. I'm sure this will inculcate a lot of team spirit and self-confidence. I'm sure they will do very well, and I'm sure Rangarao ji will continue to promote this activity, and I'm sure a lot of students will come forward as they've always been doing, and I'm sure this the spirit of adventure will continue, and I congratulate Mr. Rangarao once again for all the excellent work they're doing. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming here and addressing them. I request Gopal Krishna garu, please. Commander Gopal Krishna garu. Time pabandi.
Good evening to everybody. Now, Madam was telling that Adventure Club, adventure activities, they give a lot of confidence, yes. And in the days to come, if the people take this as an activity in their younger days along with the school studies, India has got a lot of adventurous places, like go to mountaineering, and if you go to the sea, we have got a tropical distinct islands, etc., etc.
Highest point with his team when last May, and also visited to the Belum Caves, and I request him to say a few words.
Firstly, as my father said, I'd like to congratulate Rangarao Garu and his team, and also the awardees. Last year, 6 months ago, when we went for the adventure activities in Horsley Hills, we had a very good experience. It was an experience of our lifetimes. We would never have such an experience. We enjoyed a lot, and I hope this adventure thing and all this adventure spirit continues.
And one institution in Twin Cities which was encouraging children to go on adventures. My love on adventures led me to join in ACAP. I went to Srisalam camp at Malayala Tirtham, which included rappelling, jumaring, etc. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Manas.
I have nothing to say than just a few thanks and congrats to Rangarao sir, his team, and all the awardees who have taken this award with me.
People dislike that.
No, sir, I think people like you, and I think this goes to everyone who has an interest in nature, who tries to save nature, and who cares for his surroundings and planet Earth. Thank you.
30 seconds.
Good evening, everybody. On behalf of the Adventure Club, we have been doing all these activities, from the past 15 years, and we are encouraging all the youth, especially school children and all. If anybody interested, you can straight away come down. Individually, you can join in our club. You can enjoy the facilities. We are also having water sports in Hussain Sagar. You become member, please. Even aero activities also we used to do earlier. Now, due to some security reasons, the aero activity has been stopped. Now again, we are going to restart the aero activities like parasailing, microlight flying. Okay, you join your club and take the advantage of our adventure club. And I once again thank all the awardees who came all the way from Twin Cities, all the way from 30 to 40 kilometers. And I congratulate all the awardees, the teachers, the school. Thank you one and all. Rustam sahab ko bulaya. I request Rustam sahab
Of today, and since from last 12 to 15 years we are doing in the same adventure activities, and I am one of the founder member of this, and I am thankful to one and all, and as well as I think the support will be like this only. Thank you.
The award winners and the church students who have come for the participate in this activity. I also welcome Mr. Srikanth Reddy, who is also one of the founder, joint secretary of Adventure Club Andhra Pradesh. I think he is a very big speaker. I cannot allow him to speak that much, but I can allow him to 1 minute to say something. And I am thankful to everyone for those, especially forest department people and students, children, everybody who has participated and encouraged the award. Angarao garu.
ఈ యొక్క అడ్వెంచర్ ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్కి డిఫరెంట్ స్పాట్స్ నుంచి వచ్చినటువంటి ప్లేసెస్ నుంచి వచ్చినటువంటి అందరికీ పెద్దలు పిల్లలందరికీ ప్లస్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఎవరైతే ఈ అడ్వెంచర్ అవార్డు తీసుకున్నారో వాళ్ళందరినీ కూడా గ్రీట్ చేస్తూ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
अच्छा you are not come huh? ठीक right okay fine right
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి చెయ్యి నేను చూపిస్తాను నీకు కానీ ట్వింకిల్ ట్వింకిల్ జానీ yes papa eating sugar no papa.
Very good idea. You are a beautiful man. I don't know that, but I am just saying so.
one handsome guy is coming
वो रहने दे उसको आदमी को पलट दे स्टार्ट को रहने दे हाथ पलट दे
right Navin Badram ऑनेस्ट के जरा बात रोटी वाला चला बोना
when you're grappling the pressure will be more, the force will be more, so because if you go with the bare hands the chance of burning your hands, so use mitons every time, right? Sorry, mitons. And these are called the carabiners. In this we have this is the screws carabiner. So if you're fixing it, the thing is you have to that's all. It's not open. So that's carabiner. There are two different types of carabiners which you have seen. One is plain one, the other one is screw. This is more safer, figure of 8. So you call it as figure of 8 or descender. So when you're coming down, this will reduce the speed of your.
No. If you do that, Ranga will put.
Excuse me. Jay, you can here, please.
You need to wait that side. Then you'll have to go around the rock to climb up.
Attention, please.
We always make things easy for you.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, sir. Okay, please try to observe how he is doing it. He will tell you how to wrap them down. He will give you a few instructions. You need to just keep it in mind. Okay. And don't try to panic. Don't try to use your own brain. Just listen to whatever he says. Because the safety is a concern. Here we are not supposed to do any. Okay?
Gabbar Singh, Rio Samba. Now, when you want to stop, you need to lock with your left hand, which goes behind the back again.
See, that's.
ఇట్లయితే కష్టం నాకు టీం ఒక టీం అక్కడ ఒక టీం కూడా అయిపోతాయి కానీ అందరు ఒక దగ్గర అంటే మళ్ళీ జిమార్ దగ్గర అది చేయడం కష్టమవుతుంది డబుల్ డబుల్ చేస్తాం
You see how simple it is. छोटा छोटा वो कॉर्नर नहीं आगे का कॉर्नर वो जो बाहर निकल रहा है वहाँ फंसेगा ये इधर 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 ऊपर ऊपर नवीन ऊपर पीछे देख
वही और थोड़ा पीछे से कर
We've got team. Okay. You need to touch the tree.
lot of coordination, hands, legs and body is important.
You can do.
So question is what? Chaitanya team. Tell them what we would do.
No, we should not. We'll tell them later. We'll pick up.
Is it logic you have to
Because you know.
Yes, please observe the movement.
So that is what is the interdependence is good. Dependence on the leader. Yeah. On other
John, you need to touch the tree. Great. Touch the tree. Touch the tree. Touch the tree.
Cool, Jyoti.
Jyoti is doing fantastic.
Right.
Oh,
Here you can
fantastic.
dancing, Jyoti.
It's not as tough as migration, Jyoti.
Touch the tree. Careful, careful.
Yes, Jyoti, come on. Touch.
Yeah,
Great, Jyoti.
Careful. On the knot.
Yes, yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Perfect, Jyoti. No hurry. Great job. Take your time. Yeah, you can beat. Take some rest there. Take some rest. Take some rest. No drop. No.
You cannot reach me. Please send me an SMS saying that Raju confirm on Tuesday or Monday and the time.
Yeah, photo this one. Fine, sir.
Ram, are you guys taking some snaps or not?
कोई गलती नहीं कर रही है. That's the biggest problem. Only when you find fellows.
And he is doing the right to score. Don't worry. Yeah, I am the scorer anyway.
As long as
Everybody is doing very well.
available.
Important, huh? Yeah, be careful. Take 5 minutes. That's it.
Hey, one snap.
Come back, Bhargavi. We'll come back and take that.
Fine.
I'll just discuss what is the center of that. So we'll accordingly small briefing. So these guys all have.
No, watch it.
नीचे जो भी गिरा है पूरा साफ वाटर है.
Fantastic! Hey, you are a leader. Come on, do it.
एक से बात करो एक बार
विनीत नारायण You only change his speed.
Just a moment for a snap.
No. अरे आराम से यार अरे गिर जाएगा यार अबे नहीं गलत हो गया मिस हो गया
Okay, and then you need to carry the ball all the way along the track and put the ball back in this position. So the time is the factor that we are looking at.
We have to take a round.
You'll have to go. We'll show the route to you. We'll show you the route.
One minus.
Will be out of the minus. He will not run with the team.
You have to
He
read
will
the
have to
thing.
step off the team.
You have to read.
So that's
It's as if a team member has been lost.
team that's one number.
जिसको रेस्ट लेना है वो ड्रॉप करो.
Minus is good. So entire team, let them coordinate because we cannot leave one person, no.
Okay.
So like, after that you may manage to help others. So this.
Okay.
And we'll give you the one trial run for small trial run here only. Just walk to the place. And we'll show the route.
Who is going to be the leader? We need to identify the leader first.
Oh, she's the leader, no?
No, I don't know. Let them decide first.
You want to go and have a chat?
Okay. Then I'll take.
Don't lift it up. One important, I think the point here is there are a couple of things. Wait.
1 minute. Don't touch
You
the
have
hole.
to stretch it to the max to the. Okay, the strings cannot be loose. Wait.
Wait, don't. नीचे कर दो.
The strings cannot be loose.
नहीं.
Lifting is easy.
No.
Nobody makes
The
it
end of the
loose.
string, please. End of the string.
Makarand. End of the string and.
End of the string. You
Slowly,
can't roll it around your
slowly.
finger.
Murthy, your string is not. Murthy, your
Stop.
string is loose. Stop. Just still.
Let's rotate.
Okay, come back.
Okay, Vinay, go back.
Slowly.
Vinay.
एक मिनट. That's it. विनय उधर नहीं.
Slow.
थोड़ा नीचे छोड़ो थोड़ा. All of you please bend.
थोड़ा नीचे, थोड़ा loose.
Okay, towards Nandita.
All of you
Towards Nandita.
Bring it down. Bring it down.
Bring it down.
Make towards me.
Bring it down.
Towards me.
Hold it tight. On here. Cool. No. Come on.
Alright. Your time. Start.
Lovely. Lovely. Go. After he going, then